Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung Dishwasher installation kit. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the installation kit, you're going to get the new screws and mounting brackets. The installation kit is what you use to mount the dishwasher to the countertop. The main reason you'll be changing it out so if it's lost or damaged and the dishwasher is not secure. Whether your installation kit is missing or damaged, we have to pull the dishwasher out a little bit to put it in. First thing we're going to do is open up the door and use the Phillip screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have the screws out, we're just going to lift up on the door and use it to carefully start the dishwasher out. Then we can grab the frame, and we're only going to pull it out far enough so we have access to the mounting brackets. There's a mounting bracket on each side. They're both changed out the same way. They're just held into the bracket right here with a tab. Just have to lift up on it and then pull it out. The other side comes out the same way. Once you have them off, you can pull them off the dishwasher. Here's the old installation kit next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. It comes with a few different types of screws. You just have to pick whichever one you need for your countertop. To put the new mounting brackets in, you just have to line it up and hook it into the bracket. The other side goes in the same way. If by chance the mounting bracket is too long to go underneath the countertop, you can break it off on this break-off line right here. You just have to grab it with a pliers right here by the line, and then on the other side of the line and twist it until you break it off. If it's the right length, you can just leave it alone and push the dishwasher in. We're just going to close the door, push it back in, and we can open the door back up and use the Phillip screwdriver to put the screws in that hold it to the countertop. Once you have everything installed, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.